Hi, you guys. My name is Chelsea, and I am going to be talking to you about something pretty cool today. So this is our breath work and talking about deep breathing and how we can utilize our breath control to help better prepare us for performances, auditions, interviews, and to just help us be mentally present throughout even classwork. So starting with deep breathing, what is it? So in yoga, we call this pranayama, and the yogis of old believe that if you can control your breathing, you can control your thoughts and emotions. So by utilizing our deep breathing, not only are we breathing and being still, but we're actually sending signals to our nervous system, our brain, our nerve endings that we are safe. So we want to utilize this breath work as much and as often as we can. So I want you guys to go ahead and place one hand on your heart and one hand on your stomach. And I want you to take a deep breath in. Good, and do that one more time. Now I want to talk about that a little bit. As you were breathing, which hand did you notice was raising up? Was it your hand on your chest or was it the hand on your stomach? For most of us, there is a hand that I'm sure most of you are saying, but there is one group of people on earth who breathes correctly, and they breathe correctly all the time, and that is toddlers and infants and babies. When we are born, we are belly breathers, and we breathe through our stomach. We utilize our diaphragm, and we get that full breath filling our lungs to capacity. As we get older, we tend to hold our breath, and we only breathe through our chest, which is just filling our air a little bit. So we want to go ahead and place both hands on your stomach, okay? And I want you to do this again, but I want you to actually feel your stomach expand. Good. You could also sit on the floor. I'm just gonna show you really fast and go ahead and roll on back, placing your hands on your stomach, closing your eyes. I want you to do that again and go ahead and breathe really big. And slowly exhale. Good. Taking this to a 4-count breath, I want you to breathe in for 4. And exhale for 4. Good. So deep breathing can be extremely beneficial to helping us control our emotions, controlling those nerves. As dancers, we are trained to hold our cores tight. We're trained to have our posture strong. And so allowing ourselves to breathe through our bellies can feel very awkward and not natural at first. But if you can allow yourselves 1 minute, 2 minutes, find a quiet place. Maybe it's even in your car. Maybe it's in a space in your studio, or you just find a spot at wherever you're auditioning. Find a place where you can allow yourself deep belly breaths. I recommend breathing in for 4 and slowly exhale for 4, either out your nose or out of your mouth. But I would recommend using this breathing to help better prepare you for your performances and to help you be more present as you train as well.